Welcome to the impromptu unboxing, because this thing went through manually checked from the customs, and last time I got this manually checked, something was stolen. I've been missing, so I really have to check this. Inside there should be 14 bags and a few stuffs. So let's open it right now. Actually, there was no sign of opening, but let's make sure everything is in order inside here. Okay, the seal is intact. Otherwise, I went ape. So let's open it up. So they didn't open my box, which is nice. Okay. One. Okay, what's that? STL. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Seems like everything is in order. So let's recount it. 1, great, and there should be about 4 stuff outside the back. It should be shock tower number 1, great. Double-sided tape, great. And a 5G servo with, this is a JST ZH 1.5 plugs, and there's an ESC. This is a Molex. This is a JST XH 2.0, and this is a JST ZH 1.5. So everything is in order. I can repack this, and let's go and assemble it.